name is Ronnie, and I took Karen Ranzi's raw food and plant based course approximately 2 or 3 years ago after I was diagnosed with a life threatening illness. I want to emphasize the gifts that Karen brings as a teacher. First and foremost, she's a compassionate teacher. She never pushes you too far, she takes you where you are and doesn't judge you. Secondly, she is a wealth of information. You have a question, she is filled with information about it. She doesn't really, she will resource information if she needs it, but she knows it off the top of her head. And thirdly, she goes above and beyond in terms of giving. The meals that she makes while you're taking the course, the information that she passes on to you after the course, this was all very important on my path. I also want to emphasize this wonderful book that has been a guide for me as I've been doing this on my own. This is filled with simple and elegant recipes that will definitely help you on your path. So I wholeheartedly recommend Karen Ranzi's course.